In today's video, I will show you how to create a time off request in the Zuper mobile app. In the top left-hand corner of the screen, select the menu icon. Following that, scroll down and select Timesheets. You can see a calendar view. Here, if you select a date, you will see all the timesheets correlated with that date, as well as the employees. You can see your timesheets by selecting My Timesheets if you're logged in. Currently, I'm not logged in, so no timesheets will display. The next tab is the Defaulters tab. From the Defaulters tab, we can see any employees who have logged in late, who are not punched in, or who have punched in late. Here, we have all of their data displayed. In the top right-hand corner of the screen, select the three dots to create a new timesheet. Here, you will see the option to view enrollments or create a time off request. Select Create a Time Off Request. At this screen, since I'm logged in as a manager, the hierarchy permits me to see all of the pending time off requests. I have the option to either approve or reject these time off requests. I can toggle the options in the top of the screen to see all of the approved, as you can see here, time off requests, as well as all of the rejected time off requests. Now, we're going to create our own time off request. We're going to select the plus icon in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Now we will input the information for our time off request. I have selected August 20th as a start and as an end date for my time off request. Please take notice in the top left corner of the all day box that's checked off. Here we have the option to uncheck that and select the specific time increments that we want to have our time off. We can also leave it checked if we want time off for the entire day. Then just input your start and end date and select OK. Next, we'll select the team to request time off from. I'm going to select Core Team. Then, since I'm logged in as a manager, I'm going to select myself, Larry Page, to request time off. Following that, we will select a reason. Here, we have multiple different reasons, and click whichever one is appropriate. We're going to select Sick for Larry Page. We also have the option to input any additional remarks correlated with our reason for requesting the time off. Here, I'm going to enter that I have a doctor's appointment. Once you have completed all information, select Request. Now, we are back at the time off request screen. Since I'm logged in as a team leader, the request has automatically been approved. You can click on the request and see the details relating to the request. This includes the time off period, the time off remarks, who approved the time off request, and any additional approval related remarks. This is how you create a time off request in the Zuper mobile app. Thanks for watching.